Welcome to Innsbruck, a picturesque city nestled in the heart of the Alps, where majestic peaks and charming architecture combine to create a truly enchanting destination. Explore the historic Old Town, where colorful buildings adorned with frescoes line cobblestone streets, and medieval structures tell tales of centuries past. Marvel at the iconic golden roof, a symbol of the city's rich history and once the residence of Emperor Maximilian I. Just a short cable car ride away, you'll find yourself amidst the breathtaking beauty of the Nordkette mountain range, offering panoramic views of the city below. In winter, Innsbruck transforms into a winter wonderland, with world-class ski resorts such as Nordkette and Patscherkofel providing endless opportunities for skiing, snowboarding, and other snow sports. In the warmer months, outdoor enthusiasts can hike along picturesque trails, mountain bike through lush forests, or paraglide over the stunning alpine landscape. Don't miss the Bergesel ski jump, a striking architectural marvel offering thrilling views of the city and hosting international ski jumping competitions. For a touch of culture and sparkle, visit the Swarovski Crystal Worlds, a dazzling art installation showcasing the beauty and craftsmanship of Swarovski crystals. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping adventures on the slopes, serene moments amidst nature's beauty, or simply wish to immerse yourself in the charm of a historic alpine city, Innsbruck offers an unforgettable experience for all who visit. Come discover the magic of Innsbruck, where the Alps meet urban sophistication.